Can you describe how you would feel if you were in that scene? Uncomfortable? Grumpy? Irritated? Unexcited? Generally tired and impatient? Would you believe it if I told you that these feelings are just some of the effects of pollution? Pollution? How? You might wonder. Let's read this text on pollution. It just might answer your question. Pollution is a growing global problem that affects both human and environmental health. It is the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment that causes adverse effects on living organisms and their surroundings. Pollution can take various forms, including air, water, soil, noise, and light pollution. Pollution in diverse forms is caused by various human activities, such as industrialization, transportation, energy production, agriculture, construction, and domestic activities. These activities release a significant amount of pollutants into the environment, including greenhouse gases, toxic chemicals, particulate matter, hazardous liquids and substances in the air, and noise. One of the most common types of pollution is air pollution. This occurs when harmful gases and particles are released into the atmosphere, often as a result of burning fossil fuels. Air pollution can have serious health consequences and poses a bigger threat to individuals with pre-existing respiratory conditions. Water pollution is another problem facing the world today. The spillage of industrial waste and sewage into various water bodies often proves harmful to aquatic organisms and can also contaminate drinking water supplies, posing a risk to human health. The rate of land pollution in urban areas is a cause for concern. When soil or land is contaminated by harmful chemicals and waste, land pollution can have long-lasting effects on ecosystems, making it difficult for plants and animals to thrive. It can also make land unusable for human activities such as farming. Finally, noise pollution. This is the presence of loud, disturbing, or excessive noise, which can have harmful effects on human health and the environment. It is caused by various sources such as traffic, industrial activities, construction, entertainment events, and even daily activities such as household chores and loud music. Noise pollution can have a range of negative effects on human health, including hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, and sleep disturbances. To address the problem of pollution, every individual and society must take action. As individuals, we can reduce our impact on the environment by reducing our use of plastics, conserving energy, and using public transportation or carpooling. Governments can also introduce policies to reduce pollution, such as investing in renewable energy sources and enforcing regulations on industrial emissions. Do you now see how pollution can bring about a general feeling of discomfort? I bet you do. But before you go, I have just a few questions for you. First, look at the paragraph beginning, "These activities release a significant amount of pollutants." Why did the writer choose to use the words hazardous liquids and substances in the air in parentheses? The phrase hazardous liquids and substances in the air is written in parentheses to supply the meaning of the phrase particulate matter. This is also to aid the overall understanding of the passage. Lastly, can you suggest some renewable energy sources? If you mentioned wind energy, solar energy, hydropower, and bioenergy, you are correct. Now go on to answer the questions that follow.